All right, everybody, welcome back. And how about them Cincinnati Bengals, huh? White Allen Volkswagen, we're back at it, baby. It's the Friday 5. Let's get it going. All right, let's start it off here with a 2022 Volkswagen Talus. This is an SE 4Motion, guys. Certified pre-owned, never privately owned. Straight out of our loaner fleet, actually. So very, very nice vehicle. Very low miles car here, about 9,000 miles on it. Leather with fabric cloth seats. Of course, you got your heated seats, Apple CarPlay, blind spot monitor, the Volkswagen IQ Drive. Very well equipped, guys. $30,248 is the price, and it is available today. All right, next on the train, we got a 2020 RAV4. It's an XLE, all-wheel drive. Very well equipped, 31,000 miles on it. Leather, moonroof, heated seat, heated steering wheel. All the advanced safety systems like lane keep assist, radar cruise control, blind spot monitoring system. Just a very nice vehicle here, guys. 31,000 miles on it again, priced at $35,848. Available now. And next up, I love these. Subaru Outback 2019. 34,000 miles on it, guys. It's a limited. 3.6 liter V6, leather, heated seats, moonroof, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring system, memory seating with in-car navigation. Clean vehicle, guys. $33,450. Available now. All right, keeping it going. 2020 Ford Fusion. This is a titanium package, guys. A lot of equipment in this car. 72,000 miles on it. Leather, heated and cooled seats. Memory seating. Of course, your Bluetooth. Blind spot monitoring system. Front collision assist. Rear cross traffic. Backup camera. Nice car. Nice car. $25,415. Available today. And we're going to end it with a little fun car here, guys. This is a 2016 Hyundai Veloster. These are fun driving cars. Leather heat seats, Bluetooth, front collision assist, XM radio. Just a fun car. $16,145. Hey, Ernie, what's the miles?
96,564.
96,000 miles, folks. Available today. Come on down and check it out. You know who we are, guys. It's White Allen Volkswagen. And on a quick side note, on behalf of everybody here with the White Allen Auto Group, just want to send our regards and sincerest thoughts and prayers for those dealing with the Hurricane Ian in the southern states, especially Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, and North Carolina. We're there with you guys in spirit. White Allen Volkswagen, 1 mile north of the Dayton Mall on Springboro Pike, or find us at whiteallenvolkswagen.com. This is the Friday 5, guys. Keep them coming. Keep them coming. We'll be here next week.